What's going on, guys? So I'm out here in my backyard because I want to test this little speaker out right here because I can be loud out here. This thing is actually tiny. I don't know what how to pronounce this company name, but I think it's like OontZ or something like that. Anyway, it's called the Angle 3, and the reason why it's called the Angle 3, and obviously you can see the packaging, is a pyramid. There's 3 angle. Pretty genius in my opinion for a speaker. So let me see here. Let's go ahead and unbox this. See how loud this thing is out here. It's fairly quiet out here, so I don't know how loud I want to be out here, but I'm gonna try. But yeah, the boxing is pretty nice. It's like a square, it's like a triangle box. Okay, so first off, when I open this thing, I see the way they do this. That's pretty cool. So you got yourself USB-C, which is great, fast charging stuff. And then you got yourself a triangle speakers. Whoops, don't drop it. I don't want the wind to blow away, so I'm gonna keep that in there. Anyway, got some instruction booklet if you want to read that. But I think we all know how to use a Bluetooth speaker, right? All right, first off, let's see here. Stuff that I don't really notice online is these little grills right here. What are they for? Is it because it gets hot or what? I don't think so. Bluetooth speaker doesn't get hot, right? Nice little, you can see the grills right here. I'm not sure you can see that or not, but you can actually see the 2 speaker in there. There's 2 speakers, okay? That's the reason why they're really proud of it. That's why they call it dual speaker right here. See that? And since we're back here, you can see that there's some nice feet right here already. Really nice right there. Looks like it's waterproof like they say it is. I mean, I don't think you can throw this into a pond and it'll work, but the buttons and stuff are all like integrated in there so that if it were to get splashed in there, and obviously you know the buttons is where the water is going to come in first, right? So I say that's a good design choice right there to kind of cover up those buttons. Oh, you know what? Okay, look at this. Okay, there's a Bluetooth button right here. This is not the button where you turn on. There's actually a button right in front right here. That's why they say there's an on button right here. There you have it. Now the Bluetooth is blinking. Yeah, anyone would think that that's the button right there, but actually that's like the microphone button too. I think it's to mute the microphone. I think you can actually use this to speak to people. Okay, so the one thing I don't see is where do I charge this thing? I see. I think it's this little flap right here. So look at this. There's a little flap right here. Let me see if I can show it to you. You see that? A little flap. And it has a little cord on it. Okay, yeah. So I can lift this thing, and you can see that there's USB-C, and there's even a little headphone jack for you as well. And it looks like the little audio is right here. You see that? That's the mic right there. It's tiny right on top. Okay, let's connect this to my phone. Hopefully my neighbor won't yell at me. Okay, so that's pretty low. Okay, this song has a lot of bass, so I'm waiting for that bass. Wow, that bass is fantastic. That bass is really good, by the way. You can feel it. Okay, so now I know why the grills are down here. The reason why the grills are down there is because, hold on, let me pause this. The reason why the grills are down here is because of the bass. It's gotta, you know, push the bass down. That's why. Very clean. Like the bass is clean. It's, you know, there's no rattling to it or anything like that. And this song right here, that I listen to it all the time on headphones and big speakers and everything. And this is the first time I've listened to it on a Bluetooth speaker this small. Very nice, very nice. By the way, this is halfway. It's not full blast either. Okay, I'd say that's a pretty good buy right there. I mean, look at this. Palm of my hand, and dual speaker, good bass. I'm always using that song to test the bass because these speakers right here, I think that's really what's missing right there, because the wattage is so low that I feel like you gotta test the bass out, because that's where they use the most wattage, in my opinion. Very nice. Well, that's it for me, guys. That's the OontZ Angle 3. Good stuff.